Okay guys, so in this video we're looking at the Pearson Edexcel Functional Skills Entry 2, Section A and B in this video. Section A is non-calculator, it's mathematics, sample assessment materials for first teaching 2019. Okay, and the time of this paper is 25 minutes, and Section B, the time allowed is 65 minutes. Okay, so these are your instructions. Okay, so you must not use a calculator. The total number of marks for this section is 7. Okay, and obviously section B, you will have like a different section. Okay, so start with question number 1, guys. Liv drives her car to work. She works out the monthly cost of parking. She does this calculation: 84 something 12 equals 7. What is the missing symbol? Well, it is a division. Okay, 84 divided by 12 is equal to 7. Okay, for that. Okay, because monthly cost. Okay, so think of the year. So think of each month. Yeah, so you're splitting each month year or the year into 12 equal parts. Okay, 12 equal months. Okay, hence why it's a division. Okay, yeah. So monthly cost. Okay, so each month she pays £7. Okay, for her parking. Okay, in the whole year she pays £84. Okay, for her parking in the whole year. Okay, because 7 lots of 12. Okay, 12 months in a year make 84. Okay, this is question number 3. Okay, Liv drives 9 kilometers between her home and work 8 times a week. She works out how far she drives in a week. So Liv drives 9 kilometers between home and work 8 times a week. Okay, 8 times 9 equals something. Complete the calculation. Okay, show your answer in the box below. So 8 9s are 72. 8 times 9 is 72. So the answer is 72 kilometers. Okay, this is question number 4. At work, Liv puts apple pies into boxes. Liv has 42 apple pies. Each full box has 9 apple pies. How many full boxes of apple pies does Liv have? Show how many apples are left over, guys. So sorry for actually reading this a bit differently. So 42 divided by 9. So 9 into 42, so that'd be 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Okay, so it's going to be 4, remainder 6. Okay, so 4 full boxes with 6 left over. Okay, because 4 lots of 9 or 9 lots of 4, okay, is 36. Okay, so 42 divided by 9, is 4, remainder 6. But if you're interested in the actual answer, it's 4 and 6/9. Okay, for 42 ninths. Okay, if you're interested. Okay, that's what I call a top heavy fraction or an improper fraction, and this is what I call a mixed number. Okay, so it's 4 whole and then the remainder is 6. Okay, the remainder is written as a fraction. Okay, so sorry, that I missed that question 2 actually, but I'll come back to question 2 in like another video for section A. Now looking at section B. Okay, it's calculate paper and it's a 65-minute paper and in this section is actually 15 questions. Okay, so cracking on, guys. So this is question number 1. Okay, Alex wants to buy a car. He has a plan of his house and the driveway. Okay, Alex wants the longest car that fits his driveway. Okay, so longest car. So lengthwise, okay, you're going to be careful actually. So we're looking at the length here. So length here, so it has to be less than or equal to 4.5. Okay, so we're looking at the table for a number that is less than or equal to 4.5. So which car will Alex choose? Okay, for the longest one. Okay, that will have to be car E, because 4.4 is closest to 4.5. Okay, 4.4 is obviously closest to 4.5. It has a difference of 0.1. That one's bigger, so it can't be that one. That one's also bigger, so it can't be that one. That's also bigger than 4.5 actually. These two are smaller than 4.5 actually, but they're actually for the ratio. So that has a difference of 0.7, and that has a difference of 0.3. So yeah, it's car E that Alex is going to choose, because that has the smallest difference. Question number 2. The chart shows the costs of petrol from different companies. Cost pence for each petrol. How much more does petrol cost from company B than company D? So petrol B, 121, 122. Okay. And D, that'll be 116, 117. So if I do 122, subtract 117, so the difference here is equal to 5. Okay, so it's 5 pence for each litre. Okay, this is question number 3. Alex has a full tank of petrol on Monday. The diagram shows his petrol gauge or gauge on Friday. What fraction of the petrol is left? Well, that's equal to a half. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, yes. So yeah, you got 4 parts in total. So the answer is equal to 1/4. Okay, because that would equal to 2/4, which is equal to a half. That would equal to 3/4, and that would equal to 4/4, okay, or 1 whole. Okay, so that's equal to a quarter there, okay, because each subsection is worth 1/4. And if you do 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 on your calculator, okay, then you will get the answer of 4/4, or the answer of 1. Okay, 4/4, yeah, it's just equal to the number 1. Okay, this is question number 4. Alex needs to buy petrol. He goes to the nearest service station that is open. Which service station does he choose? So the closest one. Okay, so the smallest number. Okay, we're going to be careful here, that is open. Okay, so looking at the open ones, that's the smallest one, okay, because that's the smallest one that's open. Okay, that one's closed, that one's closed, that one's closed, so I'm going to ignore them. So look at these 3 numbers. 17 is the smallest out of 19 and 22, okay, and 17, hence that's my answer. Question number 5. Alex and his friend go to a concert by car. The 2 friends share the cost equally. The cost of the journey is £36. How much money does each of them pay? Use the correct symbol for money. Okay, so show your working and answer in the box below. So 36 divided by 2, okay, because I'm sharing, okay. Remember that the word share means division in general, okay, and that will give you £18. So each person, okay, pays £18. So your final answer is £18, okay, 18. Question number 6, part A, round 36 to the nearest 10. So that'll be 40 because it's closer to 40 than it is to 30. Okay, think of it on like a number line, okay. So nearest 10, so we're looking at number 30, number 40, okay, this is going to be around here, okay, yeah, that's just 4 away there, and that's 6 away there, okay, so you can see that that's visible, okay, or the other golden rule, guys, is if it's 5 or more, then I round up or bump up, less than 5, I round down or bump down, okay. Part B, use the rounded number to check your answer to question 5. Okay, so obviously, if I was to do 40 divided by 2, a half of 40, I'd get 20. Okay, so that proves that had I rounded this, okay, to the nearest 10, and rounded my answer to the nearest 10, I would indeed get 20. So that is correct. Okay, so that proved my answer to be correct. Okay, because I can check 36 divided by 2 by rounding 36 to the nearest 10, and then halving it, okay, and that will give me, yeah, an idea of where my answer should be close to or around. Okay, 18 here is obviously very close to 20, so that does prove that my answer is correct, okay, because the difference of 4 here, when you half a difference, it becomes 2, so the difference between the rounded answer and the actual answer is 2, so that actually confirms my answer to be correct. Okay, so yeah, it's a little trick there, even for GCSE students as well. Question number 7. Alex needs to buy car wax. Alex has £25 to spend. Which car wax can Alex buy? So Alex can buy the Clino screen wash, the auto car wash, okay, the handy brush, or the max case here. So either one. Okay. Okay, yeah, so it needs to buy car wax. Okay? So it's either, yeah, the Cleano screen wash, so I'll abbreviate it as KSW, so Cleano screen wash, the auto car wax, so ACW, HB for handy brush, okay, or the Maxon wheel cleaner, okay, or if he's buying two items, then he can buy the Maxon wheel cleaner and a handy brush. Okay, so that's, yeah, like another option. Okay, but yeah, it says car waxes, so I'm assuming, yeah, it's just singular, so it's in one. Okay, these ones he can't buy because they're higher than £25. Okay, so he can't buy the Quicks car wax, the Solo car wax, or the Turbo Jet washer. Okay, they are the ones, yeah, that he can buy. This is question number 8, guys. This is a shape of a can of cleaning spray. What is the name of this shape? So this shape is what you call a cylinder. Okay, it's what you call a cylinder. Okay, so think of like your like typical like cans of Coca-Cola drinks, or yeah, cans of Diet Coke drinks, yeah, or cans of Fanta, or any or any like circular drink, yeah, like sugar, yeah, like free drink, yeah, or sugar drink. Okay, yeah, it is in like a circular can. Okay, or think of like a can of like baked beans, guys, yeah, or like a tin of, yeah, like baked beans, yeah, or like a tin of jam, whatever it is. Yeah, so yeah, if it's in that circular motion, okay, yeah, so it has like a circular top and base. Okay, question number 9. Alex makes a mixture of screen wash and water. He pours screen wash into a measuring jug. Okay, Alex will add 80 milliliters of water to the jug. How much mixture will he have to the nearest division? Use the correct, okay, unit for capacity. Okay, so he will add, so he pours, yes, screen wash, yeah, into a measuring jug. Yeah, he will also pour, yeah, 80 milliliters. Yeah, so that's roughly, okay, I'm going to estimate that to be around 38, let's say. Okay, so if I do 38 plus 8, okay, now I'm actually going to run my answer actually, yeah, because, yeah, it says, yeah, to that nearest division, okay, so that's obviously, yeah, it's quite close, actually, 40, so if you add that, you'll get 118, which is approximately 120 milliliters to the nearest 10. This is question number 10. Alex looks at the water temperature gauge in his car. So what temperature is 90 degrees? The normal temperature is 79 degrees. Okay, so normal water temperature is 79 degrees. How much hotter is the water than the normal? Okay, so show you working. So do 98, take away 75. Okay, again, it's a column subtraction. So putting everything here under the correct place value. 8 take away 5 is 3, and 9 take away 7 is 2. So it's 23 degrees above the normal water temperature. Okay, so yeah, so his water temperature gauge, yeah, is 23 degrees, yeah, above the normal amount. Question number 11. The results of a survey show how people get to work. How people get to work. Bike, bus, walk, car. Number of people 12, 15, 16, 23. Alex needs a bar chart of his surveys. Okay, show how many people get to work by car on the chart. So, okay, so car here is going to be 23. So that'll be up to here. Again, with a ruler and pencil, obviously, forgive me for obviously doing it freehand, but yeah, obviously make sure that it's the same width as that, okay, and 23 is there, okay, for that. Okay, so make sure to use your ruler and pencil for that, guys. Okay, yeah, and make sure that there is equal distance between these ones, okay, and that it's the same length and width, okay, for each bar, okay, because that's the most important thing about a bar chart. This is question number 12. Alex parks his car at the company where he works. So each key represents one parking space. The company needs 57 parking spaces. Are there enough parking spaces? Show why you think this. Okay, show your answer in the box below. Okay, so counting them. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That'll be 10, so that'll be 26. Okay, that'll also be 10, so that'll be 36. 46, 56. So they haven't got enough actually. So that they're actually short by 1. Okay, so do they have enough? Okay, so they have 56 parking spaces, but the answer is no. Okay, yeah, because yeah, obviously 56 is smaller than 57. Okay, they need one more parking space at his company for them to have enough parking spaces. Okay, these are not actually classed as spaces. Okay, yeah, because we're looking at the key here and referring to the key. Yeah, so these are not actually spaces. Okay, yeah, just to be clear. Okay, so yeah, that's 10 there. That's 10 there. Okay, that's 6 there. That's 10, 10, and 10. Okay, so 5 lots of 10 is 50, plus the 6 gives me 56, guys. Okay. This is question number 13. A row of parking spaces has odd numbers, 23, 25, 27. So I'm adding on 2 each time. So what is the next odd number? That'll be 27 plus 2, which is equal to 29. Okay, so adding 2, okay, 27, 28, 29. So the answer is going to be 29. Okay, because we're adding on 2 each time. Question number 14, guys. Alex needs his car repaired. He wants his car repaired between the 30th of August and the 10th of September. The garage gives Alex dates when they can repair his car. Which date will Alex choose? Take the correct answer. So it's in between here. So any time between the 30th of the 8th. Okay, yeah, in this case, yeah, it's 2019. Okay. So we are looking for something in between this and the 10th, okay? 19. Now, if you look here, that's not right, okay? Because that's actually before the 30th of August this year, so it can't be that one. It can't be that one because that's after, the 10th of September. It can't be that one because that is before the 30th of August. Or 31st of August, and this one is correct here because this one is in between the 30th and the 10th. Okay, yeah, so it's actually 2 days before the 10th. Yeah, and yeah, it's 9 days after this. Okay, I believe, yeah, so 9 days after that. Okay, so that's the correct answer. Okay, question number 15. Alex takes his car to a garage. He has a street map. So the garage is on the left between a supermarket and a bank. Okay, so the garage is on the left. Okay, so think of, so think of this is left here looking at the screen, and this is right. That's obviously north or forward, you could say, and that's obviously backwards. Okay, going this way, so that'll obviously be backwards. Okay, so reading it carefully. So the garage is on the left between a supermarket and a bank. Okay, so it has to be here. Okay, so garage. Okay, because it's in between this and this, so in between a supermarket and a bank. Okay, yeah, and it's to the left. Okay, so so it is going to be on this side. Okay, that's on the right. So so it can't actually be that one. Okay, that's in between them both. However, that's on the right rather than the left. Okay, that one. Okay, so that's my answer for that question, guys. Okay, right, guys, that's the end of today's paper here, looking at both section A and section B. Sorry, that I missed out question 2 on section A. Okay, I'll try and obviously put the answers in the comments below or in the live chat. Hopefully you found it useful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell icon so you're notified of my videos, okay, for this channel, okay, and my other channel, okay, but I'll see you inside the next video, okay, thanks for watching, okay, take care, all the best, stay safe, happy Easter, and I'll see you soon, okay, bye for now, take care, all the best.